This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage the end with the holes in the underside of the bonnet. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap are located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Position a suitable container under the right-hand end of the radiator. Connect a short hose over the drain tap outlet, then unscrew the tap a few turns and allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the draining has finished, close the drain tap and disconnect the hose. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank to bring the level up to the cold mark. Squeeze the hoses as the coolant is added to help prevent airlocks from forming. Securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it until it reaches normal operating temperature. Then stop the engine and allow it to cool. Check the coolant level and top up if necessary. Disengage the support prop and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.